Okay, this is just a quick impromptu video. I took my little Oldsmobile Silhouette minivan and did a mild conversion to it for a camper vehicle. You see the solar on the roof. Everywhere else it looks normal as can be. Open the door here, take a look inside. And in here we have the seat, cabinet, another cabinet. I've got drawers down here at the bottom, pots and pans, trash bag, gas bottle. Over here, some tools and some towels and a little bedding. Inside is a mirror and meat. Take the mat out. We have curtains, my little mirror tiles, DVD player, plates, some screws from building. They're just stuck there right now. Camp stove. Propane or electric, or propane or butane. I've got butane in it. Okay, we're inside now. You can see my little cabinet I built here. It's got dish pan, take out. Have two. Cutting board, water pump, so running water. Open it up. A mirror under the board there. That's the drying mat. 4 plates here. Butane, propane, camp stove. I typically use the butane because it's easier to find. Of course that comes out when you're using it, but it stores right there. And over here is 2 containers for various gears. And then back in here is the cooking utensils. It's back in. And then here's the paper towel dispenser, light, fan, another light, refrigerator. This is a Pfeiffer refrigerator. Does work. It's a compressor fridge. eBay, $177. And back in this compartment here is my solar batteries, and my controller is back here behind that. Charge controller. Got diesel heat going into it, and then these curtains are just held in place with these clips like so all the way around. And then this seat will fold into a bed. Lift it up, pull it down. Yep. Put this board out first.